Increasing evidence suggests the impact of estrogen signaling on the colonic pathophysiology. Immunohistochemistry is a promising technique for identifying estrogen receptors in the colon, and they evolve in colitis. We present a complete and validated protocol for immunohistochemical visualization of estrogen receptors in the colon using immunofluorescence. Together with Dr. Sylwia Michlewska from Laboratory of Microscopic Imaging of the University of Łódź, we will demonstrate the procedure.
Place the colon in a petri dish. Cut the colon into 1 to 2 centimeter fragments. Place each fragment on a sponge in an appropriately labeled histological cassette. Place a cassette containing a colon fragment in 4% paraformaldehyde. Incubate for at least 24 hours at 4 degrees Celsius. Prepare and program the tissue processor for 1 hour of incubation in 50%, 70%, 90%, 95%, and 100% ethanol, xylene 100% ethanol, and xylene only, as well as for at least 3 hours of incubation in liquid paraffin. Transfer the colon fragment to a histological box. Place the box in the pre-programmed tissue processor and run the processor. After incubation in the tissue processor, remove the colon from the histological box and place the colon fragment in a metal mold such that the two ends of the colon are in an upright position.